Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can enable cookies on Google Chrome. So on how we can do that, there's just a very easy way for that. So let's go quick into the process. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Chrome. Click on Google Chrome under the best match. Now maximize this. Here in the search bar, we are not going to make any changes from here, but we can click on this three dots at the top right corner. You can also just simply search that from here, like Chrome colon // settings. Hit enter. But you can also click on the three dots, scroll down and click on settings. Now here you'll find privacy and security, the one with the shield symbol. Click on that. Under privacy and security, you have these options: delete browsing data, privacy guide, third-party cookies, adds privacy, security, and site settings. Now you can directly click on third-party cookies and you will be directed into these options. But if you don't have the third-party cookies in these options under privacy and security, then we can click on site settings. And we need to scroll down, and under content, we can find third-party cookies, or it could be cookies and other site data on your Google Chrome browser. Now you have to click on that. And here you have these options: allow third-party cookies, block third-party cookies in incognito mode, block third-party cookies. Now we are going to enable the cookies in our Google Chrome, so we need to choose the second option, block third-party cookies in incognito mode. What this will do, sites can use cookies to improve your browsing experience, for example, to keep you signed in or to remember items in your shopping basket. Sites can use your cookies, so this is the option that we need to choose. In these three options, we need to choose the second one, block third-party cookies in incognito mode. Now, if you don't have these options right here, then you need to make sure that your Chrome browser is updated. In the list of options on the left pane, you'll find About Chrome. And then you just have to simply click on About Chrome, and that will automatically update your Chrome browser. Now, I have still a pending restart. That's why there's an error with it. But in your case, once you click on About Chrome, then that will automatically update your Chrome browser and you will be directed into this option, block third-party cookies in incognito mode, to enable the cookies on Google Chrome. So that's it. I hope this straightforward video helped you on how you can enable cookies on your Google Chrome. So please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.